So I got you this box.
That's what I got you!
Isn't there anything odd that isn't about boxes?
And welcome back to Championship Boxing.
Guess this is okay. I mean...
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
All right, make way, you two. I'm coming in.
Have fun with that, buddy.
What time is it?
All right.
I'm out of here. Okay. Oh my gosh.